John and Jane had a small water feature installed years ago by their landscaper, a simple pool with recycling water positioned by the driveway. While it added a touch of charm, it wasn't designed for low maintenance or long-term use. Over time, they realized it just didn't fit their lifestyle. They loved the look and sound of the water, but they wanted something that brought more value into their daily lives. When they built an outdoor living area complete with a kitchen, dining space, and cozy seating for University of Tennessee football games, they knew it was time for a change. John reached out to the modern design team for help reimagining the feature. After discussions, the solution was clear. The pond wasn't practical for their busy lives. The original location by the driveway wasn't ideal. It was out of sight from where they spent their time. Our team created a Smoky Mountain-inspired Pondless Waterfall perfectly positioned by their outdoor space. In just days, their backyard was transformed. The gentle sound of cascading water now fills the air, creating a relaxing atmosphere for entertaining, unwinding, or watching the big game. John and Jane's new waterfall is more than a feature. It's an experience that brings their family together.